Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku charts.com daily analysis for the S&P 500 for Tuesday, November 5th, 2013. Well, a change of trend back to the downside today, a candle that's made a lower high and a lower low. Previous day's trading we had a change of trend to the upside following a spinning top type candle and a bullish harami pattern that had set up for the end of the previous week's trading. We had confirmation of that pattern with the market making a higher high and a higher low, a moderately bullish candle, a white body candle where the buyers had taken control, and that control has been lost today, and this does raise some doubt about whether this market can continue trending up. We are congesting, and there is a possibility of us seeing a change of trend in the second time frame, and here we have a potential setup for that. We have a peak, a trough, a lower peak, and if we can take out this trough to create a lower trough, we'll have a second time frame downtrend. And really it's not surprising, this market is looking a little overextended. We are trading a long way away from the cloud, but credit to the buyers, the strength of the buyers in this market, that we haven't really seen a major pullback. We've seen this very strong uptrending action and then congestion, and really this market is overdue for something of a pullback, but the sellers really do need to find some downside momentum, and it certainly doesn't seem apparent that they're finding it for today's trading. We have a small black body, so we have had a shift in net momentum to the sellers, but look at the shadow on the bottom of this candle. It represents upside price rejection. It represents the sellers losing commitment down below the Tenkan-sen, and the buyers have closed back with control of this market, so certainly no strength from the sellers here, and the buyers are now going to attempt to trade this market higher for the next day's trading. Obviously we do require confirmation of that, so we are looking for a potential higher high and higher low. Now just looking to the Fibonacci extension, and it really isn't giving us a lot here, but we have had the market testing down through the important 50%, 61.8%, 38.2% levels, and being rejected from below there, with the buyers taking control of this market for today's trading and suggesting a very real possibility of a change of trend, so we are on the alert for that. But never preempt the market, as I always mention. We are looking for confirmation, and that would be a candle with a higher high and a higher low. In terms of the Fibonacci retracement, and really not a lot here, but the important thing here is the rejection from the lower levels with the buyers taking control. We have the 100% level just below. If the trend does continue, that's an area to watch. Then down to the 161.8%, which coincides roughly with this minor support level, roughly around the 1740 level. But really the short-term dynamics aren't favouring the sellers to a large degree. We do have some net momentum to the sellers, but the buyers, as I've already mentioned, have taken control of this candle. Now in terms of Ichimoku, obviously a bullish market in the long-term time frame with the market trading above the cloud, and we are looking a little overextended. As I've mentioned, price action has attempted to retrace back towards the flat Kijun-sen, and we have seen that to a degree, but this, as I've mentioned, really says something about the strength of the buyers in this market, that they're holding the market up around these levels. So we have a bullish market in the medium-term time frame as well as a large, and also bullish in the fast-term time frame, but trading above the Tenkan-sen, and the Tenkan-sen holding a strong support. So the Tenkan-sen is very, very important in terms of sentiment. If we see a close down below that Tenkan-sen and a bearish close, it could herald something of a retracement. So the Tenkan-sen here trading around 1760 is crucial to this market for the next day's trading. Looking over to the Chikou span, that's above the corresponding price action, so it's confirming the bullishness that we're seeing in all three timeframes, and suggesting that it's likely that this market will bounce to the upside and continue with the buyers finding some upside momentum and potentially testing to 1775 and above.